I will share two methods for creating desktop shortcuts using Microsoft Edge. The first is drag and drop method. Open Microsoft Edge. Navigate to the website for which you want to create a shortcut, for example a specific YouTube channel. Resize the browser window so that you can view your desktop. Click and hold the security icon in the address bar, then drag it to your desktop. This action will create a shortcut with an arrow symbol. Here is another scenario. For example, I watched this video which impressed me. Now I want to save this channel. Simply drag the channel name to your desktop. On double-clicking the shortcut, it will directly open the specific channel. You can also use the second manual method. For example, I want to create shortcut link for this Facebook image post. Simply right-click over the time and copy the link to this post. To manually create a shortcut for this link, right-click on your desktop screen and select New Shortcut. In the location field, paste the copied URL and click Next. Name your shortcut and click Finish. You can observe that when I click the shortcut link, the browser has directly displayed the specific URL in default browser. You can set default browser by going into Edge settings and select default browser. Using Microsoft Edge, you can also click on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, go to the More Tools option. Select Pin to Taskbar to create a shortcut on taskbar like I added these shortcuts for YouTube Music, WhatsApp and Google Keep. Also discover how I save links to unlimited websites for free as shown above. Additionally, find out how to pin any social media site on taskbar using Chrome and Edge browsers. Check description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Dozro channel.